accidents. What do we really mean by accidents? Let's just think about accidents for a while. So when we say accidents, what we mean is wee or poo not going in the potty or the right place or the toilet or whatever, okay? But another way to think about accidents is actually that they're a super important part of the learning, okay? Because your child needs to learn how far they can go before they're going to have an accident. And that is the skill of body awareness, okay? It's a skill of knowing what your body is telling you and how long you can wait before you really need to do something about it. So first of all, accidents are really important. If you never let your child have an accident because you're constantly trying to prompt them to go to the toilet to avoid an accident, then what's going to happen is your child's never going to learn what it feels like to really need a wee or really need to wait and go to the toilet for a poo, right? They're not going to get that feeling at the time that you're telling them to go, right? So it's going to be a bit like when you go to the loo and you don't really need to go. It's kind of hard work, right? And this is the problem with prompting too much to avoid accidents. You've got to let some accidents happen, and you also have to be the one to learn from those accidents. You have to learn what was going on beforehand and what signs or signals your child showed you and how long it took for them to reach that point. Okay, so accidents are a really important part of the learning journey. If you want to learn how to make accidents and embrace them as part of your child's learning journey, listen to my Go Potty podcast, which will explain in detail exactly how to do this.